So forward and reverse bias characteristics of the Zener diode. So the Zener diode is having the color combinations of orange and black. This black color side is cathode, orange color side is anode. So as we already know, the forward bias in the sense anode is connected to the positive terminal and cathode is connected to the negative terminal of the RPS. So let us do the connections. So here I am having breadboard. So 1K resistor, I am using 1K resistor. Next, this is diode. So black color side is cathode, this one is anode. So I am doing forward bias, that's why anode is connected somewhere and cathode is grounded. So I am connecting positive terminal of the RPS to the first end of the resistor, 1 kilo ohm resistor. And negative terminal to the ground, same horizontal line, and these are in same vertical line. So ammeter positive to the second end, ammeter positive to the second end of the resistor. So these are in same vertical line. Ammeter negative to the anode of the diode, anode of the Zener diode. And I am connecting voltmeter in parallel with the diode. Voltmeter positive to the anode of the diode and voltmeter negative to the ground. These are in same horizontal line and these are in same vertical line. So let us do the same thing. So you have to change the voltage, RPS voltage. So according to that, note down the voltmeter as well as ammeter readings. So initially RPS voltage is 0. So my forward voltage is also 0 and current is also 0. So I am changing my voltage to 0.2. So this voltage is 0.15 and current is 0. And 0.4, I am changing RPS voltage to 0.4. This is 0.35 voltage across the diode and current through the diode is 0. And this is 0.6. This is voltage across the diode is 0.55 and current through the diode is 0.1. So at what voltage the current through the diode will change, that voltage is called as cut-in voltage. So for the Zener diode, the cut-in voltage is 0.55. So do the same experiment by changing the different RPS values. So change the RPS values to 0.6, 0.8, 1, 1.5 and so on. And note down the voltage across the diode and current through the diode. So now we will do the reverse bias. So in order to do the reverse bias, I am not changing anything. Simply I am changing the diode directions, that is anode is connected to the ammeter, cathode is connected to the ammeter negative and anode is connected to the ground. So simply I am changing the diode directions. So I am connecting cathode here and anode is connected to the ground. So do the same experiment. Change the RPS voltage and note down the voltage across the voltmeter and current through the diode. So 0.2, 0.4, 0.6 and so on. So once you observe, these are the forward bias characteristics of the Zener diode. These are the reverse bias characteristics of the Zener diode. So here at 0.67 my current will change. So for this particular diode the cut-in voltage is 0.67.